Hello everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. In this video, I am going to provide you a thorough yet simplified coverage of newly released OpenAI's O3-MINI model. Not only I am going to describe in very simple words what exactly this model is, we are also going to check out some of the benchmarking tests in a hands-on way. I will also be sharing you with some of the code which I am going to use in this video. So stay tuned. This is going to be a blast of the exercise. So what exactly is this model? This is a small reasoning model. Reasoning models are trained with reinforcement learning to perform complex reasoning. When we say reinforcement learning, it means that whenever a model performs well, it is rewarded. If it is not performing well, then it gets punished. That is how model improve its performance. And reinforcement learning is one heck of a way to improve the performance of the models, and we have seen it with DeepSeek's R1. OpenAI is not new to these reasoning models. They released OpenAI's O1 some time back, which is still one of the best models. I would say number one model, combined both open source and closed source at the moment. And now they have released this O3-MINI. What this O3-MINI does is it takes the reasoning characteristic of O1 while maintaining the cost effectiveness of the mini series of model from OpenAI. All of these models, they are not open source. We don't know what their training data set is. We cannot install them privately locally. The only way we can use these models is either through API or through ChatGPT console, and I will show you both shortly. Reasoning models think before they answer. They produce a long internal chain of thought before responding to the user. Reasoning models really excel in complex problem solving, coding, scientific reasoning, and multi step planning for agentic workflows. And that is why they are becoming so popular, and that is the primary reason why DeepSeek R1 has taken the world by storm. And by the way, DeepSeek R1 is not the only one. We have covered Alibaba Coin's QWQ model, and OpenAI has been doing it for some time with their O1 model. So now you know what exactly this model is. Now let me take you straight to one of the coding exercises, and then we will check out various benchmarking of this model. Now simply look at this code. These 20 lines of code are doing some reasoning with the help of O3-MINI model. First we are importing the libraries, and then this is a prompt which I am testing the reasoning with, and then we are instantiating the client and getting the response back from this O3-MINI model in line number 14, as you can see here. So what is happening here? First, after importing the libraries, this is a prompt where I'm asking it that durian, the Southeast Asian fruit infamous for its strong smell and polarizing taste, is a delicacy for some but a turn off for many. Your task is to come up with innovative ideas to make durian loved by everyone. Generate three potential solutions that could increase durian's appeal to a wider audience, taking into account its unique characteristic, cultural significance, and individual preferences. Be creative and think outside the box. Then we are giving it this O3-MINI. Then reasoning effort is low. Just bear with me. I believe this line number 15, reasoning effort, is what makes this O3-MINI separate from rest of the lot, and this is where OpenAI has done wonders, and I will explain shortly. So let me take you to my terminal. First, let's run this and see how this works. I am going to use it in my Ubuntu system, but you can use this code anywhere, Mac, Windows, wherever you like. And this Ubuntu has been sponsored by our very good friends at Mast Compute. If you're looking to rent a GPU or VM on very cheap prices, I will drop the link to their website with a discount coupon code of 50%, which you can choose. Okay, so first up, let's create a quick virtual environment. Now let's install OpenAI with pip install. This should be fairly quick. And then we need to set our OpenAI's API key, something like this. Now that is a paid option. You would need to grab your API key from platform.openai.com. There is also a free way of using this, which I will show you towards the end. So just bear with me. Now, let me set my API key and clear the screen. And now I am going to run this code. And there you go, model has come up with the response. Let me go up, and there you go. So it says, thought about making durian more appealing for a couple of seconds. So it is thinking about it, it is crafting some unique recipes, and then I'm collaborating with chefs and food scientists to create fusion desserts like durian ice cream. Very nice. Cracker base. And then three creative strategies: fusion foods and reimagined, recipes, hybrid delicacies, encapsulation techniques. So it is investing in food science. So it is thinking, and it is a low effort in terms of reasoning. And it has done some durian pop-up experiences and that sort of stuff. It looks really cool. Now if you are a durian hater, please see if you are a convert now, and if you're a durian lover, let me know what do you think about these. And if you don't know what durian is, you must try anyway. So let's go back to the code to see what exactly this reasoning effort is and why I believe this is one of the best thing this model has done. So reasoning effort parameter, which OpenAI's internal team called as juice, because when they were developing it, they were increasing and decreasing this juice, so they just call it juice lovingly. This parameter is used to give the model guidance on how many reasoning tokens it should generate before creating a response to the prompt. You can go with three values, either one of three: low, medium, or high. Now, low will favor speed and economical token usage, it will be the cheapest, whereas high will favor more complete reasoning at the cost of more token generated and slower responses. If you skip this, default value is medium, which is a balance between speed and reasoning accuracy. Now, how reasoning works is also quite interesting. Let me go there. Now, if you dive deeply into this, you will see how this reasoning is working. So reasoning models in OpenAI, they introduce reasoning tokens in addition to input and output tokens. The models use these reasoning tokens to think, breaking down their understanding of the prompt and considering multiple approaches to generate a response. After generating reasoning tokens, the model produces as answer as invisible completion token and discards the reasoning tokens from its context. So on your screen, you can see the example of multi-step conversation between a user and assistant. Input and output tokens from each steps are carried over while reasoning tokens are discarded. Now, a very important thing, there is also something called as completion token details, which you can get out, or completion tokens. If you want to control your cost, you need to set a limit, which you can do with max completion tokens parameter. Because if you are using a very complex prompt, it is going to reason a lot, especially if you are using the juice of high. So if you're using high juice and your prompt is very complex, your cost could increase quite a lot. So make sure, in order to curtail that, you set your max underscore completion underscore tokens. That is very important. Okay, now let me show you how you can use it for free at the moment, this reasoning. So for the free usage, you would need to go to chatgpt.com. Just create your free account if you don't have it already. And then even if your free tier, you can use this O3-MINI reasoning model. All you need to do is to just click on this reason and then give your prompt. For example, I'm asking it, jackfruit, the tropical Indian fruit known for its enormous size, prickly exterior, and sweet yet tangy taste, remains underappreciated in many parts of the world. Your task is to devise innovative strategies to make jackfruit a staple in global cuisine. Generate three potential solutions. So let's run it. And I will let it run in front of you. There you go. Again, it is thinking. And then it has given us three ways, strategies to make it more globally acceptable: modern plant-based alternative, international cuisine integration, very nice, cultural storytelling, very good, heritage and health messaging, rich in fiber and all that stuff, food technology and product development around packaging and farming supply. Beautiful. So you see, this is how you can use it for free easily. And of course, you can change the model from here by just scrolling here. You can restart it and you can do a lot of other stuff. Now, before I leave you, let me also give a huge shout out to our very good friends at AgentBot who are sponsoring this video. AgentBot lets you effortlessly deploy a personalized knowledge bot across platforms like Discord, Slack, and others. It is ideal for open source tech communities and startups that provide user support, and I will drop the link to their website in video's description. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.